Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Buick Encore. First, make sure your vehicle is turned on and safely in park. Next, grab your smartphone and navigate to its settings menu. You'll want to activate Bluetooth there and ensure your phone is discoverable. This prepares both your car and phone for a smooth connection process, getting us ready for the next step. Now that your phone's Bluetooth is on, let's move to your vehicle. On your Encore Center display, tap the phone icon. You'll then see an option to connect phone or add phone. Select that. Simultaneously, on your smartphone, you should see your vehicle's name appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. This is where your phone and car begin to recognize each other. Once your vehicle's name appears on your phone, select it. Both your phone and the Encore screen should then display a passkey or PIN. It's crucial to verify that these numbers match exactly. If they do, tap Pair on your phone and confirm on your vehicle's display. You might also be prompted to allow access to your contacts and messages. Accepting this enables full hands-free functionality. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup. If your devices aren't connecting, a simple restart of Bluetooth on both your phone and the vehicle often resolves it. Also, consider deleting any old, unused Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the car system. Finally, remember that a critically low phone battery can sometimes interfere with Bluetooth functionality, so ensure your phone has sufficient charge for a reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.